Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 5. The Flower Bank World. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in 10 Buddha fields, parallel to the world Diamond Banner, is a world called Qualities of Lotus Blossoms, with a Buddha called Greatly Energetic Well-Aware Mind. Above this, parallel to the world Endurance, is a world called Dense Arrays of Diamonds, with a Buddha called Shala King Banner. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in 7 Buddha fields, is a world called Pure Ocean Adornments, with a Buddha called Incomparable Virtue which none can conquer. Beyond the sea of fragrant water, treasury of accumulated precious incense, is another sea of fragrant water called Light of All Jewels Shining Everywhere, with a world system called Adornment of Undefiled Reputation. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Flowers of Many Jewels Blooming, with a world system called Form of Space. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Tent of Glory Shining Everywhere, with a world system called Everywhere Adorned with Unimpeded Light. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Sandalwood Tree Blossoms, with a world system called Whirl Appearing Everywhere. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Producing Jewels of Exquisite Colors, with a world system called Supreme Banner Traveling Everywhere. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Everywhere Producing Diamond Flowers, with a world system called Displaying Inconceivable Adornments. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Mind King Crystal Wheel Adornments. Mind King Crystal Wheel Ornaments, with a world system called Manifesting the Unobstructed Light of Buddha. Excuse me. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Necklace of Masses of Jewels, with a world system called Clearing Away Doubt. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Everywhere Adorned with Rings of Pearls, with a world system called Flowing from the Vows of the Buddhas. There are as many such seas as atoms in unspeakably many Buddha fields.